In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pin a card to top of list in Trello. If you've ever wanted a task to stay front and center so you don't lose track of it, this is the quickest way to keep it visible. Start by opening Trello and heading to your boards page. This is the main hub that shows all the boards you're part of. From here, locate the board that contains the list you're working with and click to open it. If you're in multiple workspaces, use the search bar or the workspace switcher to find the right one quickly. Once you're on the board, find the exact list and the card you want at the very top. Trello doesn't use the term pin, but moving a card to the first position gives you the same outcome. Hover over the card, click and hold to grab it, and you'll notice it slightly lifts from the list. As you drag, a placeholder line will appear. Slide the card upward within that same list until you reach the top. When you see the indicator showing the first position, release your mouse. The card drops into place, and just like that, it's effectively pinned to the top. It will stay there until you or someone else moves it again. If dragging feels a bit finicky, try grabbing the card by its main body rather than on an attachment or link, and zoom in your browser for a bit more precision. On mobile, press and hold the card until it detaches, then drag it to the top and let go. If the card seems to disappear or you can't find it, clear any active search or quick filters. Filtered views can hide cards and make it look like the move didn't work. Also, keep an eye on the highlight as you drag so you don't accidentally drop the card into a neighboring list. You want to see the top of the intended list light up before you release. As a quick alternative for tricky cards, you can open the card, use the move option, and set its position to the first slot of that list. It's the same end result without relying on drag and drop. That's all there is to it. Go to your boards page, open the board you need, find the card, and drag it to the top of its list. With this simple move, your most important task stays exactly where you'll see it right away every time you open the board.